Betterment and SoFi Invest are two popular robo-advisors that offer investment management services to individuals. To determine which one is better, let's compare their key features and services. First, consider the fees associated with each platform. Betterment charges an annual management fee of 0.25% for its digital plan, while SoFi Invest offers free investment management with no fees. However, it is essential to note that other costs such as expense ratios for ETFs may still apply. Next, look at the investment options available. Betterment provides a diversified portfolio with a range of low-cost index funds, while SoFi Invest offers a more limited selection of ETFs. Betterment also provides tax loss harvesting, which can help minimize tax liabilities, whereas SoFi Invest does not. Another critical aspect is the minimum balance requirement. Betterment has no minimum balance requirement, whereas SoFi Invest requires a minimum of $1 to start investing. However, for other services such as financial planning, Betterment requires a minimum balance of $100,000. In terms of user experience, both platforms offer user-friendly mobile apps and websites. However, Betterment provides more comprehensive financial planning tools and resources, including retirement planning and investment advice. SoFi Invest, on the other hand, offers a more streamlined and straightforward investment experience. Ultimately, the choice between Betterment and SoFi Invest depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a more comprehensive investment management service with advanced features, such as tax loss harvesting, Betterment may be the better choice. However, if you are a beginner investor looking for a low-cost and straightforward investment experience, SoFi Invest may be a better option. It is essential to evaluate your financial goals and needs before making a decision.